What up, YouTube? On the way to a car meet. First, waiting for my brother to show up. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. Fuck! I'm over here fucking up. I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive. Don't worry about the light. Gotta get it fixed. Should've gave y'all a cold start, but sounding real nice, looking real nice, except it is dirty. That's okay, it's nighttime, can't really see nothing. Yeah. There we go. That's my angle. Yeah, man. We're going to a trunk or treat, car meet. Gonna vibe out, you know. I'm gonna try to record some things. You know, record what I can. You know, this is gonna be my first video, so you know, one of my first videos. I'm stacking footage, but don't worry, I'm gonna get it out. I'm gonna try to get this YouTube thing rolling. Get used to this. Used to talking to the camera. But I'll catch y'all when something interesting happens. All right, y'all. We on the way to the meet. Got big bro behind me. Yeah. It's gonna be a quick little POV drive. It's not that far, but you know, ain't gonna get no action on this goddamn road. Shoot. Ah, damn! Aye! Them bright ass lights! I need windshield tint, man. This shit crazy. Man, what the fuck? I get it's a Friday night, but man, what do y'all got going on? Something, can't really do too much. Car in front of me, and they be deep over here. They be hiding. Good BMW. Shit. With this,
But that candy hot as hell.
that candy hot as hell. Now this purple sweet. Damn. Good R8. Good R8. Yeah. Good at that.
You just put the front on it. That bitch sweet as hell. That bitch sweet as fuck. That bitch sweet as before I do the Hellcat swap. Oh shit.
Call that nigga nicotine.
Wow.